you doing? You're always everywhere I am. Silly boy.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a realistic, real life clean with me. We have been running to dance and work and doing all kinds of things, so our house is a total mess. So I am bound and determined to get this cleaned up. My daughter's at dance and my husband and son went to go get their hair cut, so I'm trying to get everything done as much as I can before they all come home and we start dinner and do everything, and then it all gets to be a big mess again. So if you need some motivation, I really hope this helps you. And if you are ready, I am ready, so let's get into it.
No, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense.
Okay, so I'm going to start in my bedroom. I have a ton of clothes that I need to put away. I've been doing laundry like crazy, and I am finally caught up with everything. I have a few loads of blankets that I need to wash still, but as far as our main clothes and our towels, I am so caught up, which never happens. But I'm going to put all these away. I'm going to make my bed, do some dusting, and then I'm going to move on to the next room. I am going to be doing a huge declutter in my bedroom soon. I'm waiting to do it so I can get my husband's help because he needs to go through all of his clothes, because like 85% of those clothes in there he does not wear. And why we keep hanging on to them, I have no idea, but I'm going to wait to do it whenever he has a moment that he could come and dedicate the time to get it all done. And then I have totes underneath my bed that I need to take care of that have like sweatshirts and winter clothes and things like that. I did not even pull out this winter, so I know that if I get rid of them, I'm not going to miss them. So we're going to go through those and declutter a bunch of things, declutter our nightstands. Our closet is the main source of what needs to be decluttered, but that video is going to be coming soon, so keep an eye out for that.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Oh, everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me. Ah. opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV. It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist where you always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that. Somehow we make sense, we're the only one who knows it. Our feelings never tense, we don't need no water under the bridge. We're the good part.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to my kitchen. I had a ton of dishes that needed to be done. I don't think we had a single cup that was clean. So I'm going to work on the dishes, and I actually had to run 2 loads. You'll see whenever I get done, I still have a sink full of dishes that need to go into the dishwasher. I wasn't going to sit and hand wash them because honestly, I had worked all day. I was so tired. I needed to move on to clean the living room and the bathroom. So I just thought whenever the dishwasher is done, I'm going to reload it and do that. But I was exhausted this day, and I was just trying to get done, get it all cleaned up, and I did not want to stand at the sink for a while and wash those dishes.
We're the good part, we never fake it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that. Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, it's your own fault, now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry, it's your own fault, now toss the salt. Oh baby, baby, I don't know what to say, every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread.
So once I got all the dishes cleaned and put in the dishwasher, I just put the rest of the dishes that I need to wash in the sink and wipe down all the counters, and I decided to sweep my kitchen floor instead of vacuum. I always like to vacuum because I feel like vacuuming cleans it better and it doesn't make hair go everywhere and all this kind of stuff. But I didn't have that much stuff on the floor, so I just did a really quick sweep, and then I moved on to cleaning my appliances really fast. And then after that, I'm going to head into the living room.
Devil on his shoulder, devil on. It's a devil on his shoulder, devil on. It's a devil on his shoulder, shoulder. Hey, don't you look at me like that? Hey, like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. 'Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. A million people in the crowd, but I only see.
Okay, so now I'm going to head into the living room. I'm going to get this all cleaned up. This has been our drop zone. This is where I've been doing our laundry, and it is just a complete mess. So I'm going to get all that done, put all the laundry away, do some vacuuming. I'm going to do a quick, like, Swiffer wet jet situation in here really quick instead of getting my mop out and everything, and wiping some stuff down, and then we will be done.
When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and we'll
Okay, so moving on to the bathroom. This is the last room in the house that I'm going to clean today. And I'm just going to do a really quick cleanup, put everything away, wipe everything down, clean the toilet. I'm not going to clean the shower today because I'm just doing a really quick, this is literally how it is throughout the week whenever I go through and clean my house. And cleaning my shower on a daily basis is not what I do. So I'm just quickly wiping everything down, clearing everything out, vacuuming. Cleaning the toilet is something I do very often, and putting a new towel up for a hand towel, and then I'll be done. So super quick, nothing too crazy, just enough to have a clean bathroom for the rest of the week. I really hope that this video gives you guys some motivation to get your house cleaned up throughout your week. I know with work and school and everything else that we have to do, our houses get crazy and out of hand sometimes. So hopefully this gives you some motivation to get those rooms cleaned up. And I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are new, tell me down in the comments, say hi. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.